Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for individuals with diabetes. While conventional medicine plays a significant role in treatment, natural remedies derived from plants have also gained attention for their potential to lower sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. Here, we explore 6 plants with notable healing properties based on traditional use and scientific research. 1. Bitter melon. Mamordica carrantia. Bitter melon has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Asian cultures. It contains compounds like charantin and polypeptide P, which are believed to mimic insulin and lower blood sugar levels. Research supports its efficacy. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that bitter melon can significantly reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve glucose tolerance in type 2 diabetes patients. 2. Fenugreek. Trigonella phenum graecum. Fenugreek seeds have a long history of use in Ayurvedic medicine for managing diabetes. They are rich in soluble fiber, which helps slow down carbohydrate absorption, thus lowering blood sugar levels. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that fenugreek can improve glucose control and insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the seeds may help reduce cholesterol levels, further benefiting heart health. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamomum verum. Cinnamon is a popular spice known for its distinctive flavor and medicinal properties. Studies have indicated that cinnamon may enhance insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. One study published in the Diabetes Care Journal showed that cinnamon supplementation could lead to significant reductions in fasting blood glucose levels and improved lipid profiles in diabetic patients. Its active compound, cinnamaldehyde, is thought to be responsible for these effects. 4. Turmeric. Curcuma longa. Turmeric is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to curcumin, its active compound. Research suggests that curcumin can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. A review in the Journal of Diabetes Research highlighted that curcumin may also protect against diabetes-related complications due to its antioxidant properties. Incorporating turmeric into daily meals can be a flavorful way to support diabetes management. 5. Ginseng. Panax. Ginseng. Ginseng has been traditionally used in Asian medicine for its various health benefits, including blood sugar regulation. Research indicates that ginseng may help lower blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Ginseng Research found that ginseng supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Its adaptogenic properties also help combat stress, which can further influence blood sugar control. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe barbadensis Miller. Aloe vera is commonly known for its soothing properties for skin ailments, but it also has potential benefits for diabetes management. Studies show that aloe vera gel can lower blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Diabetes Research demonstrated that participants who consumed aloe vera showed significant reductions in fasting blood glucose and HbA1c levels. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties may help prevent diabetes-related complications. Conclusion. Incorporating these 6 plants into your daily diet could offer natural support for managing diabetes. While they should not replace conventional treatments, they can serve as complementary therapies to help lower blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements or making significant dietary changes to ensure they align with your individual health needs. Embracing these natural remedies can be a step towards better diabetes management and overall well-being.